Can you wreck this thing? Can you ever get it or no?
He'll
Do it
in
now.
2
Let's go.
seconds,
Ready?
bro.
Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Edit this shorter. 13.
This is like
14.
George telling Bobby Lee that he's gonna kill himself.
20.
Just make it quicker, bro. Speed
I
it
hate
up.
that joke was great.
25. 30.
Breathe closer to the mic.
My hands are
No,
sweating.
breathe closer to the mic.
You're so trash at this. It's
35.
insane.
No, this is his normal time. I know. I
40.
can tell you
You
exactly.
got this, Lug.
He's gonna end at 1
45.
minute and 6 seconds. I know exactly how this ends.
50.
Look, listen to his breathing.
55.
Could you put up his mic for his breathing, please?
60.
Oh shit, kid's
1.
high as fuck.
2, 3,
It's like watching
4,
this fucking 2-year-old
5,
fucking solve a riddle.
6,
Oh my god.
7.
Nice.
7.
What did I tell you?
1 minute and 7.
I fucking said that.
I'm high.
I
I'm
said
high,
it,
bro. That
I
was
said
hard.
that, bro.
That was
hard.
fucking
so
impressive,
cool,
dude.
bro. That's so sick.
What was more?
That's
what was
so
more impressive?
fucking
Him
sick,
solving it or me guessing it?
That is that's they're both very
Nah,
well.
it's
That means you
fucking
hang out a
cool,
lot.
bro.
Hey there, if you like the clip, make sure to subscribe or check out this recommended clip to my right.